Welcome everyone once again. Today we're going to be showing you how to make our beetroot carrot juice. So you're going to need some carrot, cucumber, beetroot, apples, lime, ginger, sugar and honey. So sit back and let's get this video started. I hope you guys are having a good day. Make sure you wash and peel all your vegetables, and then we're just going to blend them in our blender. If you have a regular blender, not a juicer, then you will have to cut them up and juice them and then run them through the strainer like you'll see I do here. So we're going to be using our juicers. So first I'm starting with the cucumbers and the apples, and once we have finished juice those, we're going to strain them through our strainer. So if you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe, share, follow, turn on that notification so that you do not miss anything. Leave a comment in the comment section to let me know how the recipes worked out for you, and if there's anything you'd like for us to do, be sure to leave that in the comment section as well. And remember guys, if you subscribe, that keeps us encouraged, and so please do that if you feel the need to. And welcome to all those who are new to our channel, and for my returning viewers, we welcome you once again. So there you see I am straining my cucumber and apple juice, and we're just making sure we remove all the pulp. If you like the pulp, then you can keep it in your drink, but for me I like to remove the pulp. So now we're going to be doing our carrots and beetroot and the remaining of our apple. And we're going to do the same thing again. We're just going to strain it to remove the excess pulp. Once we have everything, we're going to give it another strain just to see if we have anything else that has left behind, any pulp. So we'll be sure to do that. And as you can see, there were some that got through the first round, so we're going to use our spoon to remove the liquid. You see I'm getting the last bit of my juice in the strainer. So there you see I'm rubbing my lemon and my lime just to get the juices flowing so we can have a good concentration in our drink. You can sweeten to taste. I'm just using my lemon and my lime to give it that acidic flavor, and then I'm going to be using my honey and brown sugar and sweeten to taste. Once we're done doing that, then we're going to run it once again through our strainer, and it will be ready to serve. Be sure to taste it, ensure that it's the way you like it. If not, then you adjust with either sugar or water or more lime juice. You see how the beetroot give you that rich flavor, and it's good for inflammation, and it's loaded with antioxidants. So this is a very nutritious drink, and then we're just gonna pour it over ice and serve. We thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe guys. See you on the next video. Have a good day. Bye.